working on identifying events, and the events in a story are something that happens in a story. So an event is something that happens in a story, and major events are the most important events in a story. So when you're reading or listening to a story, ask yourself, what happens in this part of the story? What is the major event in this part of the story? Thinking about events helps you understand a story. So you should have listened to Why Mosquitoes Buzz in People's Ears. And first, we're going to listen to this page of the story to answer our question for today.
The timid little creature stood before him, one trembling paw on him, "Rabbit," cried the king, "how did you break the law of nature and go running? At the time, little king said, it was the python's fault. I was in my house minding my own business when a big snake came in and chased me out. We came back to the castle. So he was the python, scared mad, and stepped over the and
All right. So in just that part that we read, what was the major event that happened? Remember, the king was speaking to somebody, okay? And who is the king in that story? Well, the king is the lion, so keep that in mind, okay? So, what is the major event in that part of the story? So the story, or the part of the story that I just listened to with you, okay? You are going to write an M for major event on the line. So was the major event in those 2 pages, lion asked rabbit a question, the iguana is at the water hole, or the python looks for a hiding place? Which one of those was the major event of the 2 pages I just shared with you? So if you think it's lion asking rabbit a question, you're just going to write an M. Okay. If you think it's the iguana at the water hole, you'll do the same and you'll write an M for major event. Okay. Right now we're just identifying what is a major event in this story. How do we find it? We got to ask ourselves those questions of what was happening in that part. Okay. So go ahead and write an M for major event.